Advanced revenue management, merging to combine revenue arrangements. Okay, let's go to my workbook. So last videos I did was viewing and editing, and now we are going to merge arrangements. So let's go look at Suite Analysis 65687, which I've got open here. Use the merge revenue arrangements for linked sources page to combine revenue arrangements from multiple sources to present a single contract obligation for revenue allocation and recognition. One revenue arrangement is originally created for each source, but you can merge revenue arrangement when they share the same customer. That's really, really important. And I'll quickly show you why. So if I go to NetSuite and I go merge revenue arrangement for linked sources, there you go. You can see here the very first criteria or field that you've got to set is for customer. So you've got to do this by customer, right? So it's really important that it's one customer with multiple arrangement. Otherwise, that's just not going to work, right? So if I go, I've created, just before I started this video, I've created 2 sales orders, essentially a sales order. You will see here, sales order 170 and 171. And they now come up on this page. If this was not the same customer, they will not show you, okay? You can combine selected revenue elements or entire revenue arrangements, okay? Original revenue arrangements are preserved after merge, but they no longer include revenue elements that were merged into the new arrangement. The new revenue arrangement created from a merge includes the selected revenue elements from the original revenue arrangements. Revenue is automatically reallocated when you merge. The allocated contract acquisition cost amount in base currency value, which is included when the Enable Advanced Cost Amortization accounting preference is checked, is not reallocated. Okay? Alright, so to merge revenue arrangements, go to transactions, financial, merge revenue arrangement for linked sources. Right, so that's what I've done. I've showed you that, so I'm now there. Select the customer, I've done that. Right, there it shows you the subsidiary, it shows you the currency. I have US dollar. If I choose, right, so you can see there, then it disappears because those 2 sales orders were in British pound. I'm going to go back to British pound. Talks about accounting book. I don't have multiple books. If you use approval routing for revenue arrangements, check or clear the approved filter. Right? I'm on an admin role, so I don't have that at the moment. Select values from date to date. When the Enable Cost Amortization accounting preference is checked, you can also filter by contract acquisition expense account. These ones here. In the settings for new revenue arrangements, select the following. Alright, so yeah, revenue arrangement dates, contract cost accrual date. So those you've got to set. They default to today's date, but you've got to go set them. If desired, click Mark All at the top of the page to select all the revenue arrangement listed. Right, so Mark All, and there you see it selected all of them. Okay. Note, if your company permits posting discounts on sales transactions, identify revenue arrangements associated with such transactions and do not select them for merge. Right, so important. Alternatives left the box for individual revenue arrangements, so rather than click this box, you can just manually click the ones you want to do here, right? Click preview to open the preview revenue arrangement page. So let's go and do a preview. Again, my internet is not very fast, unfortunately. Alright, so here's the preview revenue arrangement page, right? So same subsidiary, same customer, same currency. It's now added those together, so there's your total revenue, right? So you can see here what's going to happen. It's going to add these two together, right? So then the next option is click merge to proceed or cancel. You can click merge on the on the merge revenue arrangements for link sources page without first viewing the preview, but it's not recommended, right? So I've done the review. After you click merge, the new merge revenue arrangement is displayed when the process is complete. Right, so let's go and click merge. And again, I'll just pause for a second here. Right, so my process is finished. So let's go and see. There should now be a new revenue arrangement. Right, and there you can see there it is. Right, so there was the two that I had, 261 and 262. You can see they now have 0, and it's added both of them together into this revenue arrangement RA263. Right, and there you can see it. And it shows you in this box, it shows you it was created, excuse me, from merge arrangements. And if we go and look at these two where we merge from, it should have that box tick that said merged into new arrangements. And there you can see that box tick and that box tick. If your revenue plan update frequency accounting preferences is set to manual, update revenue plans on the new revenue arrangement. All right.